Hello, now we are going to do 8th lab ICMP and ping. First of all, we have to open the trace packet files, the downloaded one in the Wireshark. I have already opened this one and display the specification area by ICMP. Here we can see the echo ping request reply, all packets here. We can answer the questions from here. First question: what is the IP address of your host? What is the IP address of destination host? IP address of my host is 192.168.1.101 and my destination host was 143.89.14.34. Why is that an ICMP packet does not have source and destination port? Here, first of all, we can see ICMP does not have any source port or destination port. Yeah, there is no source port and destination port here. It's because ICMP packets only deal with or only designed to communicate network layers between host and routers. It does not designed to communicate between application layers to know about the source port and destination port. That's why ICMP packet does not have source and destination port numbers. Third question. Examining one of the ping request packets sent by your host. What are the ICMP type and code numbers? Ping request, this one. The ICMP type and code. ICMP type is 8 echo ping request and code is 0. What other fields does this ICMP packet have? How many bytes are the checksum, sequence number and identifier fields? What other fields are? You can see that other fields checksum, identifier, sequence number and data field, and its data is type 8 1 byte, code 1 byte, checksum 2 bytes, checksum identifier 2 bytes, sequence number 2 bytes. Each one have 2 bytes. Examine the corresponding ping reply packet. What are the ICMP type and code numbers? Reply packet. ICMP type is 0 echo ping reply and code was 0. What are the ICMP? What other fields does this ICMP packet have? The other field this ICMP packet have was checksum, identifier field, checksum field, sequence number, and data fields. Here the bytes, each field has 2 bytes. You can see checksum 2 bytes, identifier 2 bytes, sequence number 2 bytes, like this. Everything each field has 2 bytes. Here. Now we'll do second part. Second part ICMP and trace route. Trace routing, and open the trace file in the Wireshark and filter display specification area by ICMP. These are the error files and the echo ping files. We'll answer the questions now. First question: what is the IP address of your host? What is the IP address of target destination host? IP address of my host is 192.168.1.101 and destination host is IP address 138.96.146.2. Next question: if ICMP sent UTP packets instead as in Unix or Linux, would the IP protocol number still be 01 for the probe packets? No. Now protocol will be 1. But if it is sent using UDP packets, the protocol number would be 0 cross 1 1. It won't be same like 0 1. Examine the ICMP echo packet in your screenshot. Is this the different from ICMP inquiry packet in the first half of this lab? If yes, how so? Echo. These echo packets have same fields like time to live, type 8, code, checksum, identifier, sequence number, and same everything. So ICMP echo it is not different from the ICMP inquiry packets in the first half of this lab. Eighth question. Examine the ICMP error packet in your screenshot. If it has more fields than the ICMP echo packet, what is included in those fields? These were the error packets. In error packet, extra packets included were in Internet Control Message Protocol, normal echo packets, there was type, code, checksum, and sequence number identifier, this one. But here, there is again one IP version, Internet Protocol version here, and in the differentiated service field identifications and time to live, protocol, header checksum, source address, destination address. Again, we have Internet Control Message Protocol. Here we have type, code, checksum, identifier, sequence number, everything. It contains both IP header and first 8 bytes of original ICMP packet. The error is for. Examine the last 3 ICMP packets received by the source host. How are these packets different from the ICMP error packets? Why are they different? Last last 3 ICMP packets received by the source host. Last 3 ICMP packets are this one. Reply, request, reply. These last 3 are of type 0. Last 3 replies are type 0. Instead of here TTL expired. And next, why are they different? They are different because datagrams made it all way to destination host before the TTL expired. Before the TTL expired, the datagrams made it all the way to the destination host. Destination host. This was the 8th lab of Wireshark ICMP. We'll move to another lab, 9th lab. Until then, see you.